going this way.
I'm taping this.
I'm going out of my way. I just came in from Toronto.
Just right now?
Bronwyn, how bad is it?
To the bar?
How bad is it, Bronwyn?
Not that bad.
It's fucking
Oh, you
bad.
okay?
Oh, oh my goodness.
Hey, Ferg, he's probably...
Ferg, thanks. Nice seeing you. Merry Christmas. Catherine, how cold is it? Okay. Hello, Francis.
Hello, Michael.
How cold is it?
It's quite chilly, my friend.
How's the snow blowing?
It's blowing in my face a bit.
Okay, guys. You know it's bad? You know it's bad when Jack's Pizza's closed.
Yeah, it is bad.
Okay. Here we go. So cold. Oh my god. Careful. There's a gate there. Francis, watch out for the gate. I'm so glad I paid $2,000 to come home. This is awesome.
Wait a sec.
This is like a cold Blair Witch project. This is our cab. This cab is going to save our life. We thought the cabs were canceled. But Loyal Cab is being very loyal and driving us.
Hurry up.
Okay, let's go.
I'm just waiting for people to get out.
Thank you guys. Stay warm.
Thank you. Hey, fucking Christmas.
That's how Jesus would have wanted it. What's your website, sir?
GovAndJustice.com. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
GovAndJustice, blogspot.com.
I will add you tonight.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Hey, thank you.
We're home. Well, we're at Francis's house. None of us can make it home, so we'll be staying in the Heart Shoe Factory tonight. Tonight is December 21st. It is at least -20. And this has been snowing for 4 hours, and this is how much snow we have. Andrew, hold the door, please. And we're home.
We're up in New Brunswick.
This was the most useless $2,000 I've ever spent.
We're troopers.
Andrew, what do you think of this?
It's great.
It is not great. Yeah, you have a big bruise in the leg.
Should we call Cora's now and make a reservation?
Yeah. 9 a.m. I think that's 7. Let's go visit Mom.